I just wanted to say talaga to all of you, sa inyong lahat talaga na thank you. And I'm sorry if there were times na you guys feel like I let you down. I promise, hindi talaga yung intention ko. I promise na far from what I want to happen, that's something na ayoko talaga mangyari. Kasi sobrang mahal ko talaga yung Azra.
I love you too, Aza.
I agree with Azra for I'm sorry,
Sorry, ayoko naman, sorry.
No,
Ba't ka
Azy.
nagsasorry? Why you
Azy,
saying
don't
sorry?
worry.
Why are you saying
I'm
sorry?
Kaya
sorry
nga.
if nasaktan ko kayo,
Inform me.
if may mga, if na-appreciate kayo, gano'n. That's something na ayoko talaga mangyari. And I'm sorry if you feel that way. I'll do better. I promise I'll do better. No, hindi ko talaga yung intention. I'm sorry ko.
Huwag ka mag-sorry.
No, babe.
Oh, Hag. You never
You
have to
don't
say
have to
sorry
say
for
sorry.
things that are not your control.
Oo.
I mean, yung dapat mag-sorry because like, we made you feel like you need to apologize to us for being who you are and for being friends with who you're friends with. So sorry. Huwag ka na umiyak. Huwag ka umiyak. Wala kang...
I'm also sorry sa lahat ng mga fan words na nangyayari. I'm sorry talaga
No,
sa
it's
lahat
not
ng
your
mga-
fault.
Hindi ikaw yun.
Your
Hindi
fault,
ikaw
Azy.
yun.
It's not your
Hindi-
fault.
It's not
Hindi
you.
ko talaga intention for them to use anything. Kasi one thing talaga na ayaw ko is aawayin si Ralph. Kasi my boy, my best friend, malaki talaga si Ralph sa buhay ko. Yung time na nababa siya natin, nagagalit ako. Ayoko, ako nasasaktan para sa kanya. Gusto ko makipag-ano din kasi ayoko talaga na si Ralph. He doesn't deserve all that hate. And I'm sorry if you have to pick up others to use it against him. Kaya I'm
No.
sorry guys.
Kami, we're your soldiers.
Kung paano nyo ipaglaban si Ralph, I'm also fighting for him. Kaya appreciate you guys so much. Thank you na you're showing him so much love. Yung sa team life, nakita ko yesterday, gabi yung mga ginagawa niyo sa kanya. Sobrang saya ni Ralph. As in, nakasama sa akin, ang saya niya talaga. He had so much fun. And it's nice listening to Ralph whenever he talks about as in, na-appreciate niya talaga kayo. Na lagi kayo nandun. You make him feel seen. You make him feel loved. Sobrang nararamdaman niya talaga kayo. Kaya, I thank you guys so much for giving him all that love that he deserves it a lot. So, ayun. One thing talaga na ayoko yung inaaway yung mga core ko. And I hate it na nakikita ko na yung mga words ginagamit against Ralph. And I'm sorry if ever I'm sorry if ever na ayun. I'm sorry for everything that's happening.